Good evening, teacher and classmate. Our group have the honor to present our speech about the vowel sounds. We are 6 integrants in this group. Africa Holder is doing the introduction of the video. Lisbeth Ramirez will be talking about the vowel sounds. Annabelle Banfield and Ruby Goddard are going to talk about the symbols and how we produce them. Also, Isair Rodriguez and Armando Rao is going to talk about the difference between the short vowels and long vowels. In this video, you will see the visual about the vowels in the presentation. This group work was a challenge for us, but thank God we achieved the goal. So let's begin.
Teacher and classmate, my name is Lisbeth Ramirez. I talk about the vowel sound. There are 12 vowel sounds in English. Looking here. There are 3 sections. The sound changes with the position of the mouth. In the first section, the sound is narrow. In the second section, the sound is middle. In the last section, the sound is back. Looking here. E, me, e, ten, up, hot, e, in, up, up, look, tour, r, shoot, so, on.
Hello, professor and classmates. My name is Ruby Goddard, and I'm going to talk to you about the vowel sounds. Okay, let me explain. There are 12 vowel sounds. Today, I'm going to talk about only 6 of the vowel sounds. My classmate will talk to you about the other 6. Okay, let's begin. Pay very close attention to what I'm going to explain. Okay, you see the first row on the top. The first row is going to tell you the position of the mouth. The first row will say that the mouth goes closed, but the first column tells you the position of the tongue. The tongue is going to be up front, so that means that the first row, the mouth will be closed. In the second row, in the middle, the mouth is a little open, and in the bottom row, the mouth is going to be open. Okay, first column, the tongue is going to be up front. Second column, the tongue is going to be in the middle, a little bit to the back. Let's begin so you can understand better what I'm talking about. Let's say, for example, in the first row, the letter E. E, you see, like the position of the mouth is closed and the tongue is up front. E, for example, me, need, be, these. In the same row, we're going to talk about the E sound. The E sound, the tongue, remember the column, the tongue is a little bit to the back. Let's look at the example. E is close. E. In, with, if, and think. Let's continue. The second row, remember, the mouth is going to be a little open, a little. And the column tells us about the position of the tongue. So now, the letter E. E is, the tongue is going to be a little bit to the back. So the pronunciation will be like this. 10, well, get, e, when. Let's see the second one. The row of the sound. Remember, the mouth is just a little open. The sound. And the tongue is a little bit to the back. Let's look at the examples. The coat. Okay? These are this sound. In the third row, the mouth is going to be open and the tongue is going to be to the back. So this sound is hot, half, that, can. You see the position of the mouth is open. Another position of the mouth and the second vowel sound, the third vowel sound, and the third row, the bottom row, will be the sound of the the sound. Now the tongue is to the back, so the sound will come out like this: up, but, and much. So the sound is open and the tongue is to the back. I finished for now, but my classmate will continue with the rest of the vowel sounds. Thank you for your attention.
Hi teacher, my name is Annabelle Banfield and I'm going to explain the other half of the vowel sounds chart. They are single vowels, or called monophthongs. The place of each symbol on the chart tells us something about how it is produced. The first line, the mouth is almost closed. The second one, the mouth is mid open. And the third one, the mouth should be wide open. When we produce the sounds, our tongues have a place too. Examples of each sound. Uh, uh, put. Uh, uh, you. Eh, eh, hair. Ah, ah, call. Ah, 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 star. Oh, oh, on.
The short vowel sounds is used to refer to the sounds that must correspond to the letters A, E, I, O, and U. We have two ways to identify words with short vowels. For example, the word hat. We have this form, consonant, vowel, consonant. That is more easy to identify the short vowel, hat, with the vowel A. The pronunciation is A, and the word is hat, hat, and the form is consonant, vowel, consonant. In this other example, we have the vowel E and the word pet with the form CBC, consonant, vowel, consonant, that is pet, pet, and the pronunciation of the vowel is E, E. And I have other example like this, apple, A, A. The pronunciation is in the A, apple. And with these other forms, CBCC, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, but, but. And with the other word like this, bed, bed, with the same form, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant.
Hi, Professor and students. Welcome back. It's me, Armando Rowe. Today I'm gonna talking about vowels, but specifically, I'm gonna talking about long vowels. Now, probably, do you know that in English we have 5 vowels? But do you know we have more than 5 vowel sounds? We do. For example, that's all you know. We have in the vowels we have 5. There are names. Number 1, A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. In the in A, with the vowel sounds, they have uh, they have a rule. The rule is consonant, vowel, consonant plus E. In this case, we're gonna speak about the A. In A, we can have a word like say cane. Okay, I don't know if you can see here. Cane. The word is cane, and the the rules say that you have consonant, vowel, and consonant plus E. That E, what at the last, the E is a silent E. Now we're going to say the word cane. C-A-N-E. Ain. Ain. That E is a silent E. So that's why we can mention it on the word. And that's it, the right sound. Ain. Ain. And otherwise, in the letter or the vowel E, that is second, we have a name that is Pete. Pete. It's the same sound or the same rule that he used. C, V, C plus E. That E is a silent E. So we're going to say Pete, Pete, it. it, without the E and without the E. It's the gut sound of that word. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Africa and today I am going to explain the difference between the long vowels and the short vowels. Normally we know 5 vowels and we know the pronunciations. We normally know it as is this or here. I don't know if you can see, but it will be A, E, I, O, U. This is the 5 vowels that we know. When we are talking about long vowels, we could say that it's pronounced how we pronounce it in the alphabet. When we are talking about short vowels, then we pronounce the vowels different. The A will be ah, ah. The E will be eh, eh. The I will be I, I. The O will be ah, and the U will be how we can difference when to use a short how to pronounce the short vowel sound or the long vowel sound. The long vowel sound, we pronounce it in the words that have 2 vowels. See, like this one here, bake, A and E. Like now, the word has 2 vowels. We pronounce the first vowel as how we know it in the alphabet, and the second vowel will be silent. Examples for this word will be bake, bake. And also we have over here the other word will be feign, feign. We pronounce the first vowel but not the second vowel. Let's continue. Over here it will be these, dream, dream, pie, pie. We doesn't mention the second vowel. Eyes, eyes. Drone, drone. Soap, soap. Cute, cute. And sue, sue. In the short vowel sounds, we pronounce the vowel not like the alphabet usually we pronounce. We pronounce it different. So the A will be ah, ah. So here we will say had, had. Here we will say jam, jam. The E will pronounce it as eh, eh. So here will be bed, bed, bend, bend. The I, we will pronounce it as I, I. So we will say in the word right here, him, him, pin, pin. The O, we will pronounce it as ah, ah. So it will be here, it will be hot, hot. And the other word will be snot, snot. And with the U, it will be oh, oh, some, bus. So this will be my explanation for short and long vowel sounds. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure for us to do this video.